Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to descale your Tchibo Cafissimo coffee machine. So when you see this light blinking in orange, that means that your coffee machine needs descaling. And for this you need just a few tools. You will need a descaling liquid, which you can order. You can just check in your local stores for descaling solutions, and you need a bowl for this process. And now the first step is going to be stopping your coffee machine, which you can do by pressing simultaneously these two buttons, just like that, for a few seconds. And then the next step is removing the water tank and adding your solution. It depends on the size of the solution that you purchase. For me, I bought this pack that has two in it, and you have to use one completely for one descaling process. So you just have to pour it in. It's just a simple clear liquid, and now you have to fill your water tank up to the max level. And just like that, a bit more. Put the water tank back, just like that, at the top. And now remove this tray, because we will need a bigger bowl to catch all the water, and just like that. And now when you're ready, you just have to press these two buttons on the side for around 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now just press the middle button to start the descaling process. Oh, I forget to remove one of the capsules, but it's okay. And from now it takes around 25-30 minutes until it pumps all the water. It pumps a little bit, then stops, pumps again, around 25 minutes, and it's going to be over, and then we can go to the next step. So when the process is over, you will have all your water, and as you can see, the tank is empty. And now all you have to do is empty the bowl and refill the tank with clean water to wash the machine from the solution, and you will be all set. I'm going to show you what is the combination. Also, it's recommended to wash the tank after you use the solution before cleaning the machine. So you have to clean the tank as well. So just clean the tank, filled with water, put it back, add the bowl, and now you just have to press this, and it is going to clean the machine. This should take around 2 minutes. It shouldn't stop at all. Just pump all the water through the machine, and you'll be all set. And you're all set now. Your machine is decalcified and cleaned as well and ready to be used. If this video was helpful for you, please consider sending a super thanks donation, and see you in the next one.